welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Dee, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back to watch my video. As you can see, I'm starting to slowly prepare for my birthday. I have took my braids out and just got my hair blowed out and prepared, and I'm gonna be doing a little cleaning today. This disaster on my makeup desk, and I'm gonna show you guys a few makeup products that I'm in love with right now. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna show y'all something right quick. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Every 2 weeks, they have a sale where the wedding stuff is half off. And I'm gonna start using this when it's time for the countdown to my wedding. This is the final result of getting that straightened out. And next, I'm gonna show y'all some of my favorite makeup products. All right, now I'm about to show y'all some of my favorite makeup products. So this is the Patrick Star waterproof setting spray. I love makeup and I cannot go on vacation without this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. I spray this first before I spray this because I live in Florida in the heat. And this is a perfect combination. My favorite foundation right now is the Estee Lauder. I turn different browns with the heat and the seasons. So I have amber honey and rich caramel. I also love this blush from Black Radiance. It's toasted almond. It's very pretty on brown skin. I also love this Perfect Finish HD powder from e.l.f. I do under my eyes and around my nose and mouth for creases to get my makeup to look real good. And an oldie but goodie, my MAC Fluid Foundation, and I have NC50 and NC45. These are like my favorite makeup products. I also want to do a update on this Gucci Flora. I know I said Gucci Bloom in my video, but this, it smells really good, but it does not last. I would literally have to keep this in my purse, and for the amount that I paid, I'm kind of disappointed, but at least it smells good. I'll just have to keep it in my bag, you know, to reapply as I go. After like 2 hours of a shower, the smell is gone. Right, I also want to show you guys my favorite hangers. This is the brand. They are $32 for 20, but I love these hangers so much. This is how they come. I unwrap one side so you can see how they come. And this is the hanger. It's so thick and pretty. And I just want to show y'all my clothing rack. I have some clothes on these regular thin ones. I hate them. And I'm gonna be switching them out, everything out for these hangers. They look much better, so this is the difference. And then this is the thicker one, my favorite hanger. Guys, that's it. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.